Alright, for the second part of this problem, the setup is the same. Jar of 70 marbles, 10 black, 20 white, 40 red. Reach in and draw 5 out. Similar to the cards. But now we're asking the probability that at least 2 are black. Well, intuitively, 10 out of the 70 are black. So this is probably going to be a very low probability event. The way we would write this is the probability of the number of B being greater than or equal to 2. Now, there are 5 probabilities here. There's the probability of black equaling 0, 6 probabilities actually, plus probability of black equaling 1, probability of black equaling 5. So I could pull anywhere from 0 to 5 black marbles out. But the point of this is that if I add up all these probabilities, they have to equal 1. Now what we want is we want to know the probabilities of 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's less work for us to calculate this probability. So probability that B is less than 2. That's only 2 operations. That's figuring out the probability that we have 0 black or 1 black. Then when we're done with that, we subtract it from 1, and that gives us the probability of the complementary set. Alright? So this probability is done with 2 pieces. First, the probability that black is 0. Well, it's going to be another choose fraction. We've got 10 black marbles, and we're going to be picking 0 of them out. Now we have to account for the other 5 marbles. Well, they can't be black, so they have to be either white or red, and there are 60 of those. So I'm going to have 60 choices for my 5 remaining marbles. And all of this is going to be over our familiar 70 choose 5, which is the number of ways that I can choose 5 marbles from 70 marbles. Now 10 choose 0 is 1. That makes sense. There's only one way that I can choose 0 black, and that's to choose 0 black. And when you work this number out, it comes out to be about 45%, or 0.451. Now we have to do the probability that we get 1 black. Now this probability is how many ways can we choose 1 black from a group of 10? 10 choose 1. Okay? Now we have 4 more marbles to choose from the non-black marbles. And there are 60 of those, so we have 4 choices from a group of 60. All of this divided by 70 choose 5. And this is going to give me about 0.403. Again, because black marbles are so rare here, the probability that we reach in and grab no black marbles is 45%. That's pretty good odds. And similarly, again, because of the low population, if I pick out only 1, there are good odds there. So, all told, the probability that the black marbles are less than 2 is equal to the sum of these 2 numbers because they're independent. And that comes out to 0.854, or about an 85% chance. Now, we wanted to know the probability that black was greater than or equal to 2. Well, that equals 1 minus that, which is 0.146, or about 14.6%. So that is the percentage, that is the chance of drawing at least 2 black marbles.